the telescope was tracking the North Pole. Now it's turning to track Jupiter, even though it's outside. But so it runs to the target given by skyfield, and then once it's reached there, it'll just basically keep updating the target and just keep moving in micro increments. Because it's homemade, it's probably not super accurate to start. The compass is very touchy, I guess, best way to say it. So it's best that you set it in auto mode and you track, and you can actually use your little keypad I have from a milling machine on there, or the web page, to bump the location of the scope, so you can kind of line it up on your target. So you could probably use the eyepiece outside, basically zoom in, center on the target. Right now it's Jupiter, so that's what I would do, is keep bumping until I saw Jupiter in the sight, and then let it auto track it. And depending on the, I guess, backlash in the gears, I have a little bit more backlash in the base rotation gear than I would like. I'm still going to reprint some stuff for that, but once it's kind of set and tight, it'll track fairly well. So it's a couple of my early trials, I was able to track the moon pretty well for over an hour, and a couple of times I was able to track Jupiter pretty well for a while, and other times it would kind of lose it, and that depends on the base itself. The more straight up and down it is, the better. The software does try to account for a little bit of out of levelness, but you're talking out of level for the base that's a vector in 3 dimensions, and we only have 2 axes of freedom here with the rotation and the altitude for the scope. So it's a little hard to do something that solves all the misalignments from the base not being level. But if you get the base level, it'll track fairly well, it seems. So well, maybe before I go, I'll switch from Jupiter, and let's see what happened if I pointed towards the Andromeda galaxy. Gotta be a little bit careful. I don't have end limits on the scope yet. But yes, just so happens, being about 10:30 at night in Wisconsin, Andromeda is almost straight up from our location here. So at least in October. So there you have it.